Hey guys, I want to show you how to copy a document. Open up the glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy. Make sure you put the document from this end where a white arrow is. Then you close it. Then go to the copy. Use side button to go to copy settings. Select OK. Use side button again to go to black or color. So we want to copy this colored. Then the next is how many copies. Scroll to the side. Use side button to copies. Then you select plus to add or minus to. So 2. If you want to copy more than 2 or minus, so use minus or plus to select the copies. Then the next thing you need to do is, if you want to copy this double-sided, then you scroll down. Okay, you see 1 to 1. Select OK. Then scroll down again to 1 to 2-sided. Select OK. You select portrait or landscape. Select OK. Then the next you need to do is go up and select done. You can scroll down and see if there's any other thing. Then you select done. Once you select all the settings, select done. Press this button here to copy document 2 pages, double-sided. Now place the page 2 on the glass scanner and select start scanning. So if you have a second document you want to copy again, then you place it on the glass scanner, close it and select start. So use side button to make sure it's in start scanning. Select OK and it will copy the second page. You can press this button here for you to cancel it. You also see it on the screen that you can also actually cancel it if you don't want, if you change your mind. This is the first double-sided. This is the document we copied, double-sided, 2 pages. Printing complete. So this is the document we copied, 2 copies and double-sided. Then you select OK. If you want to copy this document black, then you scroll to this use left button, go to the black. So this button is for you to go back. This button is also arrow button is for you to scroll down to copy, then scroll to the side to black. Then you select OK. Then also scroll down, instead of double-sided, select OK. Then select one-sided, select OK. Then go up and select done, copies. Then go up, then select minus to copy only 1. Select OK, select OK. Then select copy. This document now is copying black and 1 page only. There we go. Printing complete. This is the document you copied, just 1 page. We copied this one double-sided, 2 copies. So this is how to copy a document. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed.